So Zone 11 is live, guys. As you can see, I finished Dead from Above. But real quick, I'm going to show you my gear setup for this one. Pretty much everything is cash aided. So I have 32% cash reward bonus. You want to make sure you get all your gears on as cash aided and get all that free cash. Also, you also want to turn on your cash aided bonus for campaign. Remember to do that. You could rack up some serious dough, and that would help with a lot of your upgrades. So remember, guys, to also like and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and make sure you share the video. That's very important. Share it with your clan members so you guys could grow as a clan and get better. Share this information, guys. I'll do a lot more videos for the rest of the camp.